Atwood water heater. Yes, it's a 6-gallon water heater. However, it's got a mixing valve on the back that actually puts out 9 gallons of water. So what do we have inside the door of our water heater? We have a pressure relief valve, we have our control board, we have our burner tube, we have our igniter, and we have a nylon drain plug. The nylon drain plug you would remove during winterization. Even though we've bypassed the water heater and we've shut the water off to it, the water heater is still full of 6 gallons of water. So you'd want to remove this plug. Before you remove that plug though, make sure that you relieve the pressure in that water heater. How do we remove the pressure in the water heater? All we need to do is actually on the pressure relief valve, we just want to lift up on that handle. If there's any pressure in that, that pressure is going to evacuate itself right here. You always want to do that before pulling out the nylon plug. If we see water dripping out of this pressure relief valve, it could be a simple fix. If you've been using your RV for a long period of time, on the top part of the water heater is an air gap. That air gap actually will expand and contract based on the heating of the water. Well, over time, that air gap goes away. So we need to recreate that air gap. Very simple to do. We want to shut the water off to the Airstream Interstate. So if we're hooked up to city water, we want to shut that water supply off. If we have our water pump on, we want to shut our water pump off. Once you have that done, just open the faucets inside the Airstream. Once you have those open, just come out here and open this valve up to the open position as you see here and allow the water to drain out. That's going to recreate that air gap at the top of the water heater. Once you recreate that air gap, you just want to close this valve again and go about your normal use. Go ahead and turn your city water on or your water pump. That should stop the pressure relief valve from dripping.